Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce a complete solution that allows you to scan Facebook groups with or without approval join groups by keyword and automatically join those groups in bulk. First, this is the software interface. Here, I select scan by keyword. I enter my keywords here, one keyword per line. Next, I can configure several options. How many groups to scan for each keyword, the minimum number of members in each group, the type of groups to scan, such as approved or non-approved, public, or private. After finishing the setup, I select the accounts used for scanning and click Start. The software will then display a full list of groups that match the selected conditions. Once the scan is completed, you simply export the data to an Excel file. This file includes group name, group UID, and the group join link here. I've already exported a sample Excel file. Next, you copy the group UID list and move to the account care, join, leave groups feature. At this step, you can join groups by UID or join groups by keyword. You can also set how many groups each account will join, pre-filled answers for approval questions, or use AI to automatically generate answers. After completing all the settings, just select the accounts and click Start. The software will run automatically and handle everything for you.